Hello, welcome to Aspire and Achieve Marathi series. Today we are going to read a lesson from the book Kumar Bharati for CBSE grade 9. And we are going to see lesson number 4, which is about relationships. No, when we right from birth, we have different relationships in our life, right? Some are like just casual relationships, some are very deep and involved ones. So this lesson is about those kind of relationships. And the name of the lesson is Natyanchi Ghatta Veen. Veen, Shamita. Now, Veen means weaving, or how a piece of cloth is made with different colors and different patterns, and it becomes a beautiful piece of clothing. Like it could be a blanket or a shawl or anything. So in making that shawl or that big piece of clothing, there are a lot of things that go into it, right? Different kind of colors, different kind of threads, different kind of designs. So that is how this uh, writer has personified the piece of clothing to how our relationship with people are in our life. Okay. And the name of the author is Meera Shinde. So let's go into the lesson. नात्यांची घट्ट वीण. घट्ट means tight. Hmm? And नात्यांची, नातं means relationships. Okay? जन्माला आलेला प्रत्येक माणूस जन्माबरोबरच किंवा नाळेबरोबरच नातं नावाची एक भली मोठी माळ लेवून येतो. Now, whenever a person is born, जन्माला आलेला means whoever is taken birth, each person, as soon as they are conceived in their mother's womb, there is a relationship that starts building, right, with the mother to the other parts, other people in his life. And that is where this whole mal means a kind of a necklace or a garland. So it starts building the garland from there. With each piece of the bead or the thing that makes the mal is called money or bead. Each bead, each relationship is a bead and keeps adding together and becomes a beautiful necklace. हं? ज्या माळेत नाते नामक मणी एका मागोमाग एक ओवललेले असतात. So that's, as I explained, it is a beautiful necklace where one after the other, the different monies are added, different beads are added, and it becomes a beautiful necklace. हे मोती मग एक सुंदर वेण गुंफत जातात. So with it also becomes a beautiful weaving thing. It becomes a beautiful piece of clothing. आपल्या सर्वांभोवती नकळत विणली जाणारी आणि भेटणाऱ्या प्रत्येक नात्याने अधिकाधिक मजबूत होत जाणारी ही नात्यांची वीण प्रत्येकाभोवती गुंफली जाते. So each of us, whether we like it or not, each of us have different relationships with different people, which keeps adding to this beautiful वीण. Adhikadik means more and more. And what else a different difficult word here? Apल्या सर्वांभोवती. सर्वांभोवती means सर्वान means everybody. Bhovti means around. So around all of us, नकळत means without knowing and without even you trying, without you doing any efforts, there are people who people keep adding to your life, and it becomes a part of your whole life. नात्याला एक एक नाव देत ती कधी जवळीक साधते, अगदी स्वकीय होऊन जाते, तर कधी कधी परक्याप्रमाणे वागते. Each relationship has a name, and we keep giving names for different relationships. Some people we call mother, father, brothers, sisters, and different relationships. Okay, and some of these relationships अगदी स्वकीय होऊन जातात, मीन्स दे बिकम व्हेरी क्लोज टू युअर हार्ट अँड व्हेरी क्लोज टू युअर लाईफ. तर कधी कधी परक्याप्रमाणे वागते, बट समटाइम्स इट इज अ लाईक यु नो नॉट सो गुड रिलेशनशिप्स ॲज वेल, or somebody who's not so close, but still it is a relationship. नाती जन्माबरोबर आलेली असोत वा सहवासातून किंवा वातावरणातून निर्माण झालेली असू देत, त्यातही स्वकीय परकीय असा भेद भेदा भेदाभेद दिसतोच. This is a very important and interesting thing to notice. See, whether the relationship with another human being comes because of your birth, because of whom you're born and who are your family members, or it could also be because you are working with somebody or in the same environment. There also some relationship is built, right? Or just because you know somebody just through a common uh, source. However, the relationship must have formed, there are, they are, all of them fall into two categories. Either they are close, swakiya, or parkiya, or just a casual relationship. You will see the difference in each place, wherever the relationship is formed. This difference will be there. खरं तर माणूस जन्माला येतो तोच मुळी कुणाचा तरी मुलगा, कुणाची तरी मुलगी, कुणाचा तरी भाऊ, कुणाची तरी बहीण, कुणाचा तरी नातू म्हणूनच. सी, ऍक्च्युली खरं खरं तर मीन्स ऍक्च्युली when a person takes birth, when a child is born, there itself the relationship starts. Either they are somebody's son, somebody's daughter, somebody's sister, somebody's brother, or somebody's grandson, grandchild, something. But the relationship starts forming there and then itself, right from the first breathe, hmm? First breath. नात्यांच्या विणीशी त्याची पहिली ओळख होते ती इथे आणि नंतरच्या प्रवासात भेटणारी अनेक नवी नाती त्या विणीला समृद्ध आणि सुंदर करून जातात. So each relationship that person meets or forms, each one adds to the beauty of his life, beauty of that child's life. समृद्ध आणि सुंदर means समृद्ध means filled with abundance, filled with lot of good things. समृद्धी. आणि सुंदर, ब्युटिफुल, सुंदर इज ब्युटिफुल करून जातात. रेशमाच्या धाग्यासारखी ही वीण एकाच वेळी नाजूकही असते आणि भक्कम. भक्कम मीन्स स्ट्रॉंग. नाजूक मीन्स डेलिकेट. सो दिस लाईक अ सिल्क थ्रेड, this relationship is very nazuk and it means very delicate, and at the same time it is very strong. It's both opposites, but still it is there. मुलायम आणि धारदार ही असते. It's very soft. Mulayam means soft. Dhardar means very sharp. Dhar means sharp. So these relationships are delicate at the same time strong, soft at the same time very sharp. अशी ही बहुरंगी वीण अलगदपणे नात्यांचे एक एक पदर आपल्या समोर उलगडत जाते. सो लाईक दिस मल्टी कलर्ड वीण is spread in front of us like a padar means actually the when people wear a sari and there's this pallu that is there, that is called padar. Or you can say on your lap. So this multicolored padar is spread on your lap for you to enjoy your life and live to the full. And if no, slowly, it doesn't come, everything doesn't come all together at the same time. Algad ulgadat jate means very one by one it starts spreading on your lap. अशी ही बहुरंगी वीण अलगदपणे नात्यांचे एक एक पदर आपल्या समोर उलगडत जाते. नात्यांच्या आठवणीने कधी डोळ्यात पाणी जमतं, तर कधी त्या आठवणीसह हृदयात नाती जपली जातात, ती कायमचीच. So sometimes some relationships we think about it, and as we remember those relationships, our eyes well up. We sometimes we tend to cry thinking of the relationship, and sometimes they are you know kept as a treasure in our hearts. हृदयात नाती जपली जाते. जपली जाते means to protect or to keep safe. जपणं. आठवणी means memories. नात्यांच्या आठवणीने कधी डोळ्यात पाणी जमतं, तर कधी त्या आठवणीसह हृदयात नाती जपली जातात, ती कायमचीच. कायमचं मीन्स फॉरएव्हर. So some relationships we think about them and we really miss them, and we keep those memories very safe in our heart forever. कायमचं. हं? प्रत्येक आई मुलाच्या जन प्रत्येक आई मुलाच्या जन्मानंतरही त्याला घडवतच असते. See, when a child is in a mother's womb, it's whatever the mother eats or however she takes care of her health, she also takes care of the child in her womb, right? But it doesn't end there. The Gadavana means to create or to make something happen. So that creation is happening happens inside her womb, right? But it doesn't end there. Even after the child is born, she shapes the child's experiences, the memories, the habits, everything is shaped by the mother. असे घडवताना कधी कुंचल्याच्या हळुवारपणे रंग रेखत, तर कधी छिन्नीचे कठोरपणे घाव घालत तिचे काम चालूच असते. Now here the two new words that you would like to concentrate on. Kunchal. Kunchal means brush. Kunchalicha. Kunchalyचा means how a painter brushes a painting with a with a stroke of paint with a brush. That is how a mother colors the child's life. That is in a very soft way. Also, sometimes she has to be very stern or very strict so that the child gets a good habit or good life. And when she is doing that, she is using something called chinni. You know, chinni means chisel. The carpenters, they use a chisel to give shape to a wood. Like that, the mother also hypothetically uses a chisel to make the child more happy. I wouldn't say happy in a longer run, but sometimes the children don't listen to the parents, right? So they have to be strict. So that is represented as chinni, as if using a chisel. असे घडवताना कधी कुंचल्याच्या हळुवारपणे रंग रेखत, तर कधी चिन्नीचे कठोरपणे घाव घालत तिचे काम चालूच असते. And this is an ongoing process that a mother does so that the child is forms good habits and good character. आईच्या घडवण्याने आपण जरी घडत गेलो, तरी ती आपल्यासाठी कायमचं एक गूढ बनून राहते. गूढ मीन्स मिस्ट्री. See, even though a mother is creating us or घडवणे means she's shaping us in different ways, still she is a mystery. So you don't know what she's thinking, how she's handling your things, and how she's forming different ways, she's creative ways she's thinking to make you do something positive and nice and make a good life for yourself. कधी ती आपल्यासाठी उबदार शाल असते, तर कधी कणखर डाल असते. Sometimes she is like she is like a very warm blanket for us, and sometimes she's like a shield. कणखर shield means very strong shield. बालपणीच्या अंगाईला लागलेली सुंदर चाल असते. Sometimes she is a lullaby song that she sings, when you're a child to put you to sleep. So all these different ways your mother tries to make you into a good human being. आईनं जन्म दिल्यानंतर या जगाशी आपली ओळख होते. So after your mother gives birth to you, we get introduced to the world. ओळख होणे, to be introduced. जग means world. या जग नावाच्या भवसागरात स्वतःचे माणूसपण जपण्याची तारेवरची कसरत प्रत्येकाला करावीच लागते. So in this world, you know, even though we have lot of our struggles or different ways we have to face different kind of situations we have to handle, we have to, it's like walking on a thin rope, and yet keeping your humanity within yourself, being human, being polite, being kind, being nice to other people. That is the kind of challenge we all face. या जग नावाच्या भवसागरात, भवसागर means the ocean. So here the world is referred to as an ocean, and स्वतःचे माणूसपण means humanity, जपण्याची तारेवरची कसरत प्रत्येकाला करावीच लागते. So the act of keeping your humanity alive, being human, is like walking on a thin rope. Tara means तारेवरची कसरत means walk the thin rope. You have to walk on a thin rope. And that everyone has to do. प्रत्येकाला करावीच लागते. मुलाची जगण्याची वाट थोडी कमी खडतर व्हावी म्हणून बाप नावाचं वल्ह हातात धरून भवसागर पार करण्याचा प्रयत्नही केला जातो. So for the children to have a better, more, not a smooth road, but a less troublesome road, I would say. थोडी कमी खडतर व्हावी. The path for the child, to make the path for the child little less strugglesome, we hold a hand, we hold a person called Bap. Bap means father. Valha means oar. You know how when you want to cross a river and you're in a boat, you have to use the oar to push you forward, right? So here the father is referred as a Valha, the oar that you hold to get through this bhavsagar of the world, the of the Zag. And with the help of the father also, we are trying to give a better life. त्यासाठी मात्र संवाद नामक सेतू बांधला जावा लागतो. Setu means bridge. Sanwad means conversation or communication. Here, Sanwad, the actual meaning of Sanwad is conversation, but in this context, it will be communication. For you to use these, the mother to mother, some of the other way the relationship is formed, but with father, you have to build that bridge, that setu of communication, of Sanwad. मग या संवादातून बापाचं बाप असणं ठळकपणे जाणवत राहतं. With this conversation, with this setu of conversation, we come to know how a father is making its efforts to make your life more easy, and how he's been a father to you. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this lesson so far. There is one more page of this lesson which we will be doing in the next episode. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.